So today we're looking at something a little bit different. We're out in the countryside today. We're not in Campersol. It's a rural property. It's a 2-bed, 2-bathroom property. So should we get and have a look at this place? So we're just coming up to the front of the property. I'm just going to turn around so you can see the view of the mountains. I think if you was in the wildlife, guys, you would love it here. So let's go into the property. So we come in through the front door. So as we come into the main sort of lounge. Now don't forget, guys, this is a Spanish style villa. Big lounge, you've got a dining area, got a view out the window at the mountains. Big space. A lot of potential here. You've got an aircon machine just above the door there. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you into the bedrooms first. So the first bedroom is at the front here. You could put a double bedroom in here. A double bed. You could put a double bed in there. You've got another window looking out. Now, you've got your ensuite as well. So you've got a shower. You've got a sink and a toilet. I'll just take you, I've got a high ceiling there. So we come out the first bedroom, back out into the lounge diner. Fireplace there, not too sure is that being closed up or not. Well, you could open that up, there's a fire. So we're going into what I would say is a master bedroom. Because as you walk in, now you've got a big double-sized bed there, just to give you some idea. You've got a built-in wardrobe into the wall there. You've got another ensuite as you walk into it. Big bath. You've got a shower attachment, which will go on there. I'll just take you around. So plenty of space here, guys. You've got some old ceiling beams there, give it that nice touch. You've got a window that will look out the back. So you've got a toilet in the corner there. Got electric points around as well, got one above the door there. So we come out, we're going to show you the kitchen part now. We go into the kitchen area. Plenty of cupboards in here. You got it's like a gas oven. You got a washing machine in the corner there. You got your sink. Look out the window there, at the back there, the countryside. Plenty of electric points as well, dotted around. We've got the fridge, freezer. So we come out the kitchen. Now out the back here, I presume, could be like a workshop area. You could make this into your laundry room. You've got your gas bottles there for your stove in the kitchen. Possible that could be used for your gas heating, no doubt. Now I'm not too sure about the furniture in here. Is that going to be with it or not? Look at that view, the mountains. So I mean, if you want to be a walker or anything like that, this would be ideal for you. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. It gives you some idea what's inside the property. So it's a 2-bed, 2-bathroom property. Amazing views, guys. So, if you've got any more questions, please don't ask me, guys. Please ask Vinny from Otherworld Properties. You can give it all the information you need to know about booking this, coming out to visit. And also don't forget the free app. If you download the app, it doesn't cost you nothing. Gives you all more information about this property and other properties in the area as well, and also on campus. So, as I always say, guys, if you got to keep watching, because if you don't, you're going to miss something. Anyway, I'm going back inside.